Yo, YouTube, what poppin', man? Hey, it's your boy Young KD back at it again. I'm coming at y'all boy with a brand new video. I'm gonna show y'all boys how to get that extra noise out of y'all recordings. And this right here is an app. This ain't on Bandlab, so you gotta download the app. And a small disclaimer, this is only for iPhone. So if you got Android, I'm sorry, man. Yeah, man, so the app we're gonna be talking about today is called SoundLab. On SoundLab, man, they got a lot of different options. You can normalize, you can DS. But the thing we're looking at today is the AI noise suppression. So it's powered by AI, just like a lot of things is nowadays. It don't take all the little sound out, but it takes a lot of the echoes out of your recording. It takes like the background hissing noises, extra people in the background, stuff like that. Hey man, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna show y'all how the recording sounded before I put this on. Then I'm gonna show y'all how it sounded after. Okay, right now I don't got the little effect on. I don't got the AI noise suppression on. This is how my microphone sounds without it. Okay, so right now you hear me with the AI noise suppression on. Hey man, it should sound much better. Y'all let me know how it sounds to y'all. Right now my little setup, I got my Focusrite Scarlett Solo 3rd generation going through my iPhone 13 Pro Max, man. I got a little lightning adapter. I got a USB power hub, and I also got the XLR cord, and I got a Roswell Mini K87 microphone. Hey, I'm gonna be doing a review on this microphone too soon, man, if y'all want it. Hey, that little motherfucker clean, ain't it? Yeah, I got it customized to be all black. Yeah, but listen, with this effect and with this tool, with the AI noise suppression, man, it's a game changer, bro. Cause like you could use it on your vocals, you know what I'm saying? And once you're done recording your vocals, send them out through this app, and then put the AI noise suppression on it. You download your vocals, and then you add it back to your session, and then you just mix them, man. Okay, I just fucked up. Good thing y'all ain't see that on camera. But yeah, that's all you want to do. And also, like, if you like, let's say you're doing like tutorials and stuff like that, or you're doing YouTube videos like I do, I be using that in my videos sometimes too. So like, you can do it for your voiceovers and stuff like that. So hey man, if y'all learned something new with this tool, y'all boy make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you fuck with Bandlab or GarageBand or just mixing period, y'all boys subscribe to the channel. I got plenty of tutorials, and I'm still learning, man. So I'm still getting better and better, man. No cap. I'm gonna fuck with y'all boy next time. No cap.